groundbreaking advice you won't believe!
As you can see from the Q3 projections, the growth potential is significant. But why look at a flat screen when we can dive right into the data?
Okay, that is definitely not the basement. Where am I?